In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing photos in Google Photos. If some of your pictures seem to have disappeared, don't worry. In many cases, the photos are still there, but they may be stored under a different account, moved to another section, or never backed up in the first place. Let's go through the most important places to check so you can find them quickly. First, make sure you're signed into the exact Google account where the photos were originally backed up. This is one of the most common reasons people think their images are missing. Open Google Photos and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, check which account is currently active. If you use more than one Google account, switch between them and see whether your missing photos appear. Even if everything else in the app looks normal, being in the wrong account can make your library seem incomplete. Next, check both the trash and the archive. In Google Photos, deleted images usually stay in the trash for up to 60 days before they're removed permanently, so this is a great place to look first. Open the app, go to Collections, then Trash. If you find the missing photos there, select them and tap Restore. That will return them to your main library. After that, also check the archive. Archived photos are not deleted, but they are hidden from your main photo grid, which can make them easy to overlook. Go to Collections, then Archive. If you spot the images you've been looking for, select them and choose Unarchive so they show up normally again. Finally, review your backup settings. If the missing photos were taken on your phone or tablet, it's important to confirm that backup was actually turned on at the time. In Google Photos, go to Photos Settings, then Backup. Check whether backup is enabled. If it was off, that may explain why newer or older pictures never appeared in your account. Also, if you're missing images from specific folders like downloads or messaging app folders, check whether those folders were included in backup. In the backup settings area, look for the option to backup device folders and make sure the folders you care about are enabled. This is especially useful for screenshots, downloaded images, and photos received through other apps. By checking the correct account, reviewing trash and archive, and confirming your backup settings, you can usually figure out why photos seem to be missing in Google Photos and recover them if they're still available.